Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I will show you a full logo design project, from start to finish. Please leave a feedback if you like this video. Make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in comments the most important information you find in tutorial, or if you will have some questions feel free to ask. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you didn't yet. Click on the bell, because we will post a video every second day. And have a nice watching. So select the segment tool, and put the dimension 750 points. Now we need to duplicate. Hold Alt and drag. After hold Shift and rotate 180 degrees. And move the segment to intersect the center. Now select the rectangle tool, and put the dimension 80 points and 750 points. After duplicate, hold Alt and drag. We need one more time to duplicate. After hold Alt and rotate right side 60 degrees. Now we need to move in the center of the object. After select the object, and press Ctrl+E, and Ctrl+F, to paste in same place. Now select Reflect tool. Leave the same settings, and press Copy. After select Ellipse tool, and put the dimension 320 points, and 320 points. And move in this intersection. Now create another ellipse. But now put dimension 240 points, and 240 points. After select both ellipse. Pick the center, hold Alt, and drag right side. Now we need to select all objects. And use Shape Builder. And just build the shape. After we need to delete objects around. Hold Alt and select it. After delete objects inside. So we have final object, ready to put colors, but first we will put text. If you have already set text, now go to the object, and select Expand. And leave the settings, after press OK. Now select both objects. After press I, to swap to eyedropper tool, and fill to color. Now select main object, after press G to gradient tool, and set the color. Now select second object, after again press G to gradient tool, and set the color. All color is ready and logo as well, so now we have a professional logo just in around 5 minutes. Hope you enjoy this video, and if you have some questions feel free to ask in comments or email, as well leave a feedback if you like this type of video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you didn't yet. See you in next video, which will be in a day. Take care.